Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video, David, and guess what? Today we're going to try to get a little bit more of the COJ operations on the city, and this is getting very exciting, guys. So today I'm going to try to be in 3 places at the same time. Whew, I need to multiply. So the first one will be in Bertrams. So we're doing some property inspections. The second one will be Maboneng, and the third one will be Yeoville. So guys, I'm gonna try to do my best to show you guys everything that's going on. Stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. Okay guys, so I don't know about this, but I'm gonna inform you. So the city of Johannesburg has 3 shifts running in the Johannesburg CBD. So it will be morning, afternoon and night shift. So these operations can carry on. Okay, now let's start with Bertrams. That's the City Power van, GMPD there also. So we basically now in Bertrams, and we are checking different properties, businesses to see if they are legally connected to the electricity grid. It seems like we were met here with a lot of hostility. City Power just trying to do their job to see if they are running actually a legal connection here. Now we are going to call for backup because we need to get our job done. The cavalry just arrived. Okay, they arrived. Okay, they're going in now.
Let's all go inside.
Okay.
Anybody that's official is more than welcome to be in here. Anybody that's official. As long as I see paper on the official, that's fine.
Well, this is exactly what I was talking about. So guess what? Complaining so much, but the electricity meter was not even registered. So we're disconnecting it. So everything is working. Okay, so we got a happy ending here. Seems like the business owner actually paid for the meter and everything is gonna be alright. Okay, so this is the next property we're gonna do. We got now an alternative entrance here. So we are now inside of the property. Seems to be a hijacked. Scary. Okay, I'm gonna check now to see if this is illegal or not. Okay, we actually came inside. Let's see. Oh, they're gonna carry on basically checking at the properties, but to move because they are still running operations in Maboneng and also in Yeoville. So this is where we're going. Regarding to the meter, they're still trying to find out, but this is how it works, guys. Always like this. Okay guys, we're moving now. Okay guys, so I came back a little bit late. So basically what happened is they found 3 businesses here in Maboneng that didn't have the meter registered, so they give the notices and all that. Because remember, these operations take around 2 hours to happen. So I'm gonna try to go to Yeoville. They already finished. Yo guys, a lot of stuff happening. So we're going to Yeoville quickly and see what's going on. You guys see why I need to multiplicate myself 3 or 4 times? Because it's impossible to catch all the action. Okay, almost there. roads in Yeoville are really bad. Okay guys, so cheers guys, keep well. Okay guys, I just arrived in Yeoville. I didn't have time, they already finished everything, but I will keep the photos here for you guys to see. They did spaza shops and all that, so this is what I have to show you guys today. I'll be back tomorrow to try to fetch more action. Again guys, stay tuned and share, subscribe and destroy that like button. I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.